Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, March 18th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. We have quite a few activities, as always, to do in async. The first one is a job search activity. So you're going to use a website as like Indeed or some of the other ones we talked about on Tuesday, and you will search for a job that interests you. Okay? And then you're just going to tell us a little bit about the job. So what is the job, where it is located, why you are interested in it. And here is an example. Okay, here's an example of what you will type in the comment section and post. You guys have been doing a very good job with spelling and grammar. Keep it up. Make sure you do your spell check. The next activity is in your book, page 27, BCND. All right, so you're going to finish BCND and then you will post your picture. Okay, so you're going to look at the page before to answer these questions. Okay, all right, page 26A is the picture, and then you will do we answered the 3 questions, so now you're going to finish up. All right, and that's that assignment. Then you have a Spark article to read, finding a new job in your field. You'll just click here. It will take you directly to that Spark article. All right, and here are some things to think about. So these are still inferring questions. The reader can tell. And also the summary questions. What is a summary in case you're not sure? So these are just explanations to help you do well on the quiz. All right, and this is the title of the article you'll read, Finding a New Job in Your Field. And then you have your deliverable, a lot of job stuff. Remember, you click My Document, then you sign into Carlos Rosario email, and then you come back and you click Edit. Okay, and then here's what you will do. You are going to find a job and fill out a table. So here's a document, and you are going to use any job website that you want. We talked about Craigslist, Indeed, Monster. We talked about Idealist, DC Jobs, US Jobs, all types of jobs, okay? All these different job websites. So you're going to find 3 that you are interested in. You'll put the title, the location, what the shift is, what the salary is, and what skills. All right, so you're going to find 3 job listings that you would like to apply to. And maybe you should apply to them, okay, if you are able to immediately. So you can put that information here, okay? And then you will submit when you're done. And that's it for all the async assignments. Remember, you have till Sunday to complete them. And now let's go to sync. It is a Thursday, so we have big class together. And so we're going to do a little practice on modals, and then we'll go into our Spark breakout groups. All right. And that's it. Good luck.